So my washing machine was leaving my clothes soaking wet after I washed them. Initially, I could turn it to drain and spin, and for the first 3 or 4 loads, that worked fine as a subsequent cycle method, but then that stopped working. So I found a couple videos on YouTube on what the problem might be, and I decided to remove the capacitator, which I tested with a multimeter just by testing those 2 ends, and I got activity, so I figured that's good. And then I really thought that the culprit might be the actuator, which I found on a website through Google, and there's the new piece over there. I removed it, and I'm about to put it in, and stay tuned for the final result. So it has just entered into the spin cycle, so it's fixed. Remove this. Yay! So all it was a $23 actuator.